Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about degree audit. What is a degree audit and how to run a degree audit? So let's get started. So a degree audit is a report of the classes that shows you your progress. In other words, it shows you what you have completed and what you're completing right now, and also the missing requirements that are used to complete your degree or certificate. So there are two ways that you can get to your degree audit. One of them is to go to your MyNMSU. You will go to student. Once you're in student, you will go over here to degree audit. Another way to do this is to do a quick Google search for degree audit NMSU. And then the first option, Star Degree Audit NMSU, New Mexico State University, be bold. So it should take you to this web page, the Star Degree Audit page at NMSU. So you will click here, and then you will be using your username without @nmsu.edu, and then the same password that you use for your MyNMSU, and then log in. And it's gonna take you to this page, request an audit. So in this case, I'm gonna run a degree audit for Doña Ana, and in the program, I'm gonna look for Associate of Pre-Business. Make sure to run the most recent catalog year, and on the options, you leave them as they are. Once you run the degree audit, it should take you to this page. It's going to tell you everything about the classes that you have taken and the ones that you need to take. So you will see general information like your GPA, the total of credit hours that you have completed, and whatever you have in progress. If you continue scrolling down, you will see requirements like, in this case, general education requirements, and you will see all of this here. Whenever you see a little check mark here, that means that you have already completed. Wherever you see these three dots here in low green, it should be a requirement that it's in progress, and you will see an IP here. So as you can see, I'm almost done with this degree here. I just need to complete Accounting 2120. And also, I need to complete Economics 2110. So that's what I would start working on to add for the next semester. And yeah, that's basically how you run a degree audit and you read it. Thank you. Have a nice day.